The 2009 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.